Hi, hello friends. Very good evening. This is Nagarajan from the Market Decoder channel. Welcome to the pre-market report and a swing trading video. So in today's video, we'll be seeing some important and very rare scenario in Bank Nifty. Let's start with Nifty. Yeah. So Nifty, as I told yesterday, Nifty is looking for a downward movement towards 15,800, and until 15,800 we are safe. So what has Nifty done today is Nifty has closed below yesterday's low. So yesterday's low was around 16,058, and today we have closed at 15,966. Looking at the US inflation data, so we can expect some more downside movement can be seen for tomorrow. Even some good gap down can be seen in tomorrow's market. So we'll see what is going to be the important levels for tomorrow. We'll look at the support and resistance first. So the important support is lying around this level, which is 15,850. So that is going to be the first support. Yeah, so that is going to be the first support, and we have a very nearby support, which is another 20 points down, which is going to be 15,836. Let us ignore that. We'll take 15,800 as a zone where we have multiple supports, 15,836, then another 15,813 and 15,759. So this zone will definitely act as a support for tomorrow. If there is a huge gap down, then nothing can be done, but these are the levels we can expect for some reversal in Nifty. So these are going to be very strong reversal in Nifty for tomorrow. So current swing, the market started down, which is low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, and right now we are seeing another higher low. So if the market is breaching these levels, we can go with fib. So fib, as I told, 15,800 will be a good level, which is going to be 6.618 ratio. So if this is taken out in weekly, then we will be badly hit. We can see 15,500 and 15,000 levels in upcoming days. Okay, so this is going to be the prediction for this whole week. But for tomorrow, due to this inflation data of the US, we may see some good sort of gap down or some bearish market in Indian market as well. So we'll go to some 1 hour chart so that if we can get some sort of trading opportunity tomorrow. So looking at fib, so definitely 15,900 levels will be acting as a support. If we are opening gap down below this, then definitely 0.600, which is going to be 15,800, that will definitely give some sort of support, because some good amount of open interest is also seen at this level. So, and multiple supports are here. This zone from 15,850 towards 15,800 is having some enough sort of price actions earlier in last few maybe like in May and June. We have enough amount of price action zone seen between these levels. This is going to be a good opportunity for buying a call option at 15,800 level. Yeah, that is going to be the tomorrow's call, and stop loss will be 55 points from 15,800 in 15 minutes closure. Targets will be same, like first target will be 55 points and second target will be 100 points. If tomorrow, if we are opening below this 0.618, which is 15,800, then this call is invalid. Let us wait and watch. Don't go behind the market and go for shorting. The market can definitely travel here and there. It can be more volatile, so let us not go behind the market and get trapped. Let us have a small look at Bank Nifty's open interest. So yesterday itself I told 16,100 is remaining, has got enough amount of open interest, and today much more open interest has been seen at 16,100. So max pain remains 16,000, which means the call option buyers will be having enough amount of pain if the market is closing around 16,000. So 16,000, the resistance has started increasing against the support. Looking at 15,900 and 800, we have enough amount of supports, but if there is a clear gap down opening, this may get turn as a resistance. So please trade very carefully for tomorrow. We'll move. Okay, we are looking at the Bank Nifty's daily chart, and yesterday I told in Bank Nifty we are seeing an insider candle formed. Yeah, and if a daily closure below this today yesterday's low will drag Bank Nifty towards somewhere around some 600 to 800 points, right? So what has happened today is exactly what was expected today. Is the closure is below this yesterday's low. Today's closure is around 34,827. And one very interesting factor which I have very oddly seen in the open interest, I will explain in next few minutes. But looking at this bearish candle, we will see like where is going to be the immediate Fibonacci supports and the direct price action supports. So 34,600 levels will be acting as an immediate support. If there is a huge gap down, then 34,300 will be acting as a good support, and 34,000 will definitely act as a psychological and good support, which is going to be 0.618 for the current swing, because there is a good gap up here. So that gap can be filled in tomorrow's gap down. That is the expectation for tomorrow. As I told, like the US data is very bearish, so this can happen tomorrow. Okay. So we'll go to 1 hour chart to see like if we have some any opportunity for tomorrow. So tomorrow is like we don't have many much opportunities, because if this gap is getting filled, definitely we'll come towards 34,300 levels. If there is some more bearishness is seen, definitely 34,000 will be seen tomorrow itself. So what we can expect is definitely we can go on grab a small, at least like one or two lots at 34,000 call option. That is going to be the tomorrow's call with 155 points of stop loss in 15 minutes closure. Why is because we are able to see a lot of price action in this zone, right? So here we have a support, here we have a support. So these levels will definitely act as a support. So this zone will definitely give some price action to watch. So if market is opening at this level, which is below 34,300, even if there is a gap down of 100 to 200 points, then there will be a small rally in the downside towards 34,300 or 400. If further drop is seen, definitely these levels will be good to watch. If there is any reversal seen at this level, definitely a small pullback rally will be there for some 200 to 300 points for sure. Then we can go with a 34,000 call option buy with 155 points as stop loss. That is all from Bank Nifty's chart. We will go to the price action. As I told, one important and have never this kind of scenario in open interest. Today Bank Nifty has closed at 34,827. If you look at the price action here, so the open interest here, so 35,000, it seems like it is a huge resistance now, and we have got a small amount of support at 34,800. If we are able to close or give a gap down opening below 35,500, then there will be a huge amount of volatility, because there is a very less amount of put writers seen here. Then put writers will be becoming strong if there is a huge gap down, which will bring a lot of volatility, and 34,000 seems to be a huge support. So there can be some more addition to, if there is a huge addition in 34,000 call option, then again there will be a good amount of rally in the opposite side, which will take 200 to 300 points in Bank Nifty immediately in just 5 to 10 minutes, or at the max of 15 to 30 minutes rally. So, and if you look at the above levels, this will be remaining as a resistance for at least like next 1 week. From 35,000 to 36,000, a huge resistance. This will be there for at least like next week's expiry. Okay, so we'll have to very closely watch these levels, and we have to trade. So 34,000 levels is going to be a buy. Until then, there is no buy in Bank Nifty. So please do watch and take the trade. We'll move on to the swing trading or investment opportunity here. So investment opportunity is there with Wipro Technologies. So Wipro Technologies has made a top of around 739, and now it is available at 406. So 400 to 380 is going to be a demand zone for our Wipro. So if you look at this was 2000 support. So right now what we can expect is we will definitely have some price action at this level. So almost like a huge amount of drop is seen in Wipro. If you look at this, so already we have seen 46% of drop. So definitely another 4 or 5% drop will be 50% fall in Wipro. Wipro company is performing really well, but this kind of scenario is going to be an opportunity for us. So let us not miss this opportunity. Let us have a financial a fundamental look at the Wipro stock. So Wipro, there is no pros here. Only thing is the stock P is at 18. Yeah. So there is one con which is going to be they have delivered a poor sales growth of 7.42% over the past 5 years. But if you look at the yearly data, let us not take this quarterly data, we will consider yearly data. Yearly data, quarterly data is also good because from the last quarter 500 crores profit has been increased. Similarly, expenses has been increased, operating profit has been like it is stabilized, everything is fine. But as go to the yearly data from March 2021 to 2022, if you look at the sales from 61,935, now it is 79,312. It is a mammoth growth. And if you look at the operating profit, again from 14,771, it has gone up till 16,684. Income has increased, income has marginally dropped. This is the one thing which we have to consider. Yeah. And interest has increased, and profit, if you look at profit before tax, 13,900 to 15,141, and net profit, if you consider from 10,700 crores 790 crores, it has gone up till 12,230, and earnings per share is increased substantially from 19.70 to 22.31. It is really good. And dividend payout, they are the number one. We can say like from 55% they have gone up till 27%. A company which is interested to take care of their stakeholders, and that is very, very important for an investor. And reserves, they are maintaining from 54,000, it has gone up to 64,000. It is really good. Share capital they have maintained as it is. Borrowings has been increased a little bit. Fixed assets from 23,000 crores, it has gone up to 37,990, and they have a total assets of 1.7 lakh crores. From 80 to almost like 28 to 30,000 crores, it has got increased in the past 1 year. And shareholding pattern, they are maintaining at 73%. And only considerable thing is the FIIs has definitely pulled a lot of money, and DIIs has increased a considerable amount, and public has increased the stake, and others, this HNI categories has reduced the stake like 0.2%. So overall it seems to be a good balance sheet and good company with respect to fundamentals, and it is nearing the demand zone. So let us not miss this opportunity. If there is any reversals or people who are looking for SIP kind of investments, can look for the Wipro stock and do some small amount of investments right now. So thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe to the channel and support it. Take care. Bye bye.